Friends, in this video I want to show you how to check HDD and SSD speed test. You can check HDD or SSD read-write speed using command prompt. So that, go to command prompt and run as administrator. Type here winset disk. You can see HDD and SSD read-write speed here. In my PC, I am using both nvme SSD and HDD. Here, C and D drive are belongs to SSD nvme and E and F drive are belongs to HDD. For making this video, I am using crystaldiskmark 8. The utility quickly tests the performance of your hard drive or SSD. And now I test nvme. So far, select C drive with 1 GB data. It may take few times. After test, we found my SSD read speed 6841 Mbps per second and write speed is 4856 Mbps per second. Now I check HDD speed. So far, select E drive. It may take few times. After test, we found here read speed 184 Mbps per second and write speed 172 Mbps per second. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.